Hi, this is my drone video of Edgewater Beach Resort in Panama City Beach, Florida. It's here that I own and rent a two-bedroom vacation condo overlooking the ocean and the lagoon pool that Edgewater has become famous for. Unique to Edgewater is that it sits on 110 acres of lushly landscaped beachfront property. It has 11 swimming pools and 4 oceanfront jacuzzis, all located within steps of the beach. Do you notice the blue round roof? Well, that's Edgewater's own restaurant, lounge, and tiki bar. There you can get food and drink to take to the beach or to the pool. They also offer room service. Here you see one of the 4 oceanfront hot tubs that are available to relax and soak your cares away while watching the sunset over the tranquil Gulf waters. As you can see, there are miles of smooth beach with its sugar white sand. No wonder they call this the Emerald Coast. And it's so convenient to take the boardwalk right from our property to get down to the beach. I bet you can't wait to get your toes in the sand and then head down to the water's edge. While there, you can rent a chaise lounge, chair, and umbrella, or bring your own and bask in the sun. But if you want to be a bit more active than just tanning at the beach, you're in luck. Edgewater has its own 9-hole executive golf course. Yes, that's right, a beautifully manicured golf course with scenic views and a pedestrian bridge for safe crossing from one side of our resort to the other. This street, called Front Beach Road, will take you down to Pier Park if you're in the mood for more shopping or a movie. Edgewater also has its own luxury conference center to host meetings and events, as well as a golf pro shop and a workout room and spa. As you can see, we also have 7 lighted tennis courts, a basketball court, a shuffleboard court, and much more for those of you who are feeling energetic. So from the golf side to the Gulf side, you've just had a quick tour of Edgewater Beach Resort and Golf Club, located on Florida's famed Emerald Coast. If you'd like to see photos and information on the interior of my actual apartment, please check it out by contacting me in any of the methods noted on your screen. Thanks for watching, and see you on the beach.